Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today is 30th of November and the special thing is today's Gurpurab. So as usual I woke up at 4 in the morning and then I just brushed my teeth, freshen up, wash my face and make myself a cup of tea. Actually I made for my brother and me, for both of us. Then I just starting with chemistry. So usually I do physics numericals in the mornings, but the chapter which I am going to do is somewhat easier. So I went for the chemistry revision and I'm just revising the older chapters. So why I am studying on the bed? Because it is so cold and I do not have any courage to sit on the table and study there. So yeah. So I studied for around 1.5 hours. So then I started making a to-do list. I know it is not the time to make a to-do list. I should make it in the starting of the day. But at that time I just want to study. I do not want to waste any time. So I just make it afterwards. And then I took a bath. And because it is Gurpurab, so I went for something traditional. So this is what I am gonna wear today. And obviously I will wear this with the sweater because it is winters. And then I started with chemistry once again. So what I do is, in the mornings my task is to study for 3 hours before starting my online classes. So I study for 1.5 hours, then I took a bath and all. Then I again study for 1.5 hours. So this one is the second session in which I studied for some time, and then for some time I just read NCERT, highlight the things and all. So most of you were asking me about the tips to wake up early. Actually there are no tips. I am just habitual of waking up early. But one thing is that I do not put any basic alarm tune. I just like to put a song. It really helps me to wake up early, but the thing is it also disturbs my family a lot, but still. So after studying for 3 hours I took around one half-hour break in which I just make myself a cup of coffee because I was quite hungry by this time. So yeah. So then I just took a half-hour break in which I watched some YouTube, have some biscuit with coffee. So again I'm studying chemistry. So in the mornings I was revising the earliest labor, but now I am just revising the chapter which is going on now. So yeah. So I studied chemistry for around an hour, and yeah. So at around 10 I went to Gurdwara Sahib, and then I came back from there at around 1:15, and then I took a nap. And I woke up at 3:05. So now I'm just attending a physics lecture, with leftover physics lecture, which was very long, like it was very long. So then I just started making a sort of short notes, a formula sheet for this chapter. And yeah, like formula sheets are very like effective, because if you just want a quick revision of the chapter, so you can follow this. So then I took a break for around an hour because I just do not want to study at that time. So I went for a break, and these are the kittens living in our house, and I just gave them something to eat, and I just thought of sharing with you guys, and I just like playing with them a lot. So yeah, then I tried that they came out of the car, but they didn't. Maybe they are too scared of me. So then I started with zoology. So the chapter which I am doing here is excretory products and this elimination. This is a chapter which is running on right now. So yeah, so now I'm just like revising my notes, reading NCERT and adding some important stuff there. So most of you guys will obviously ask me about the syllabus. So in our coachings we have done around more than half of the syllabus for every subject, and botany is about to complete. But in zoo we are very back, like we are in this chapter now, and yeah, the zoo syllabus need to be speeded up. So then we'll just light some diyas because it is Gurpurab. So yeah, when I was lighting diyas, so many people are firing crackers and there is too much of the noise. Then I just tried to take a cinematic shot and I failed very badly in that. So then I just ate my dinner with Bigg Boss. I didn't like this season that much, but because I am watching Bigg Boss from a very long time, so I can't control myself from watching that. So then I started with a new chapter which is plant growth and development, and right now I am just reading NCERT and watching a YouTube lecture of Ritu ma'am in that. So the best thing about this lecture is that she was telling everything important for NEET, because this class was held near the NEET. So this is the best part about this chapter. I thought that I will complete this chapter in around 2 hours, in around 1.5 hours, because lecture is of 1 hour and 26 minutes, but I didn't because I was also reading NCERT. So some part of this chapter is left, and then I just studied for around 1.5 hours. So most of you were asking me about my timetable. So I do not have any fixed timetable, I just study randomly. So the reason why I do not have any timetable, because first thing, it pressurized me a lot, and second thing, I can't keep a timetable. Like there are some times in which I have to do a lot of a particular subject, so I do not understand the concept of a timetable. Rather than that, I just focus on my study hours, and the focus is to complete the to-do list. So today I studied for around 9 hours and 15 minutes, which is very good because today is Gurpurab, so I didn't thought I will do that much. And I was done with study at around 9:15 and I slept at 9:30. Thank you for watching.